Welcome to 30 Southern Pine. This is a beautiful opportunity to own a maintenance-free villa right here off of Horseshoe Bend. This villa includes a boat slip, and what's really neat about this community, it's golf cart friendly. So you can take your golf cart directly down to your boat slip or the community pool, which is located right here. This villa offers main level living, and along with recent updates, it includes newer hardwood floors. You've got different light features that they've upgraded. You have 3 bedrooms, however there's a huge storage area you can complete for a 4th bedroom or a home office. And don't forget the 2 living areas that you can entertain with too for all your family and friends. One of my favorite features about this villa is this new updated kitchen. Can you imagine making your meals and entertaining here, complete with the gas range? You don't see this often here at the lake. The unique feature of this villa is it has not just 1, but 2 screened-in porches. And check out that beautiful view you have here of Powerline Cove from your deck. For more information on this beautiful villa, please call Krantz & Associates, REMAX Lake of the Ozarks, 573-302-2355.